every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the Kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm going to try Laura's, what was the name? Pork chops with hot peppers. And I'm going to cheat a little. Instead of those pickled mild cherry peppers she was using, which I could not really find in Lithuania, not that I tried that much to be honest, I'm going to use a roasted red bell peppers, which I love so much and which I feel like will be a better choice for me anyways because I cannot really eat spicy food. So anyways, if you're curious to see how it goes trying this recipe out for the very first time, how it looks, and most importantly how it tastes in the very end, thank you for watching. We're gonna need 4 thin pork chops, half of a small roasted pepper, seeds removed and cut into pieces, half a cup of white wine, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 10 grams of flour, 3 grams of parsley, chopped, and salt and pepper. Okay, so before I move on to the stove, I want to prepare my pork chops by sprinkling them with some flour and salt and pepper from both sides. And once I sprinkle everything, I'm gonna actually pat it a little bit into the pork chop so it's not just on the top and wouldn't drop. I have my largest skillet here and I will really try to put them all in it. I have a bad feeling they will not fit, but I will try. So I'm gonna preheat it over medium-high heat together with the olive oil, and once and only once the oil is really hot, I'm gonna add the pork chops here and cook for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to flip them, add the pepper, and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now I will remove everything from the pan, add the, look at me, showing with the fork, add the wine and the parsley, cook it for 30 seconds, and that's it. Ready. Okay, I'm actually really happy about the fact that I have so much sauce because I don't know, it always makes it feel like juicier and nicer looking when you have enough sauce. It's always better than too little sauce. Oh, my mouth is watering. This looks so good. And the pepper, it looks so good. Okay, it will be quite hot, I think. Oh man. Ooh. You know what? I'm so bad with understanding what kind of cut of meat to buy. Like in the recipe it says pork chops, right? But when you go to a store in Lithuania, we have them, what would be translated into pork chops, from different parts of the pork. So I debated really long there by the counter, picking out which looks, basically I picked out which looks the nicest, and it was such a good choice. My god, the meat is juicy. This recipe, the best part about this recipe is not that it's really good and tasty, but that it takes like literal minutes. You can have your dinner in like 10 minutes, I feel like, because everything is pretty much ready. Like you don't really need to chop anything too much or anything. This is like 10-15 minutes dinner for you. Oh my god. Let me have another bite to celebrate that. And the sauce, I mean, I was thinking because I cooked it so little, I will really feel like the, you know, tanginess and like, I don't even know what word to use for it. Like just, I will feel the wine, but I don't. It's just cool sauce. Great recipe. Great recipe. It's so juicy, so chewy. I love, man. Oh my god, you want to laugh? I will go into my trash to look at the box, at the name of the part of the meat that I bought, because I don't remember what I chose, but I need to remember it. This is great. So, if you want, you can use the roasted pepper. If you want, you can use the spicy pepper. You'll be happy. You'll be happy. Either way, I'm super pleased. This is how Laura's pork chops look like. If you want to watch her video, oh my god, they have some little piece of meat and it's so tasty. Laura's video is in the cards there. I'm kinda babysitting the sauce because there's quite of it and it's real. I'm not complaining. This is real good news. The written recipe will be in the description box down below in both American and the metric system. Just let me put it down so that I don't spill anything because it's really good. I don't want to waste anything. In both American and the metric systems, because I am converting every single recipe I try into the metric system because I'm using one and I want to try every single recipe of Laura. If you want more pork recipes, the playlist link will be somewhere here on the screen for you, and I will see you very soon. Bye!